Good morning, Michigan Adventure Life. I'm Dick, here with my buddies Drew and John. We're out here in the Huron National Forest by the Lupton entrance. We're kind of close to the trailhead. We got in pretty late last night, but we did have some glorious steaks thanks to a special person named Diego, hashtag steaks of Instagram. We're gonna be packing up. This is our camp from last night. Got a little chilly, had to throw on some thermals. Today we're gonna be hiking deeper into the woods, looking for some small game, but mostly trying to find a nice spot for our decamp. So hopefully we find some scat, maybe some buck rubs, and I'm gonna go pack. Getting the shotguns out, repacking the bags. It's warmed up quite a bit. We got our orange on. Should be a nice warm hike in on this small game / scouting trip. We checked the boards, read the rules, grabbed a new trail map. Now we're ready to go. This is that first clearing. This is where we're gonna end up putting the big canvas tent. We're gonna hike further down the trail and find spots to hunt. First, we're gonna mark this out. John had a little equipment malfunction, so he's just gonna fix his strap real quick. How's everybody feeling? This is the first miles we've put in this year, really.
Not too bad.
Yeah, it's not bad. Better than the snow. Just pulled up to the third field. It'll be somebody's hunting field. It's where we saw that blind last year in the initial scouting video in here. They're not here anymore. We're just gonna set up camp, then hunt around these little fields.
All right, so we just got to the third clearing of the clearings that we're planning on hunting. We found a real nice area in the trees. Well, I mean, the whole area is nice because there's trees everywhere, but to set up our hammocks. Just outside the clearing, we're going to get set up and probably go check out the valley, the fourth clearing. Set some tacks, check out some small animals, hopefully.
I think we might opt to not do tarps tonight since the weather's supposed to be completely clear. Hammocks are just looking good.
So we're gonna head out, check out the fourth clearing, the valley area. We'll probably end up actual gun hunting there for deer, and the other smaller clearings for bow season. But we're gonna start out there, check it out, walk our way back, find some places for blinds, see if there's any rabbits or squirrels.
Take a look-see at what's going on out there. Looking for some scat, buck rubs. See if we can find any signs of the deer.
The elusive Michigan whitetail. So this is around that field we just camped around. You got a little scrape right here. Got a chewing branch, because always got a chewing branch around your rubs and your scrapes. You can see where I've been pounding this whole area up. Gonna keep looking for more.
We found some runs and some rubs through here. And we're at the outermost tree on the field. So what we're gonna do is signify the spot with 3 pins pointed downward. This is to mark our spot so we know where the run is and to signify our presence to other hunters in the area because we are hunting on public land. One good dick tip is make sure you don't push your pins in too far, otherwise they'll be difficult to pull out.
campground right up over there in our winter bushcraft show. So we got an old buck scrape in here, probably from last year, with this nibbling tree. You can see all these trails going through here, and they bed down a lot in that field. The scrapes are when they're kicking in the dirt, trying to mark their territory, peeing in it. The rubs are like the one we showed you earlier, where they're rubbing their antlers on the tree a little bit. We're just at that end field, the last little valley. It's real peaceful. Haven't seen any small game, but we've seen a lot of deer signs, so we're pretty happy.
So this is our third new field we came across, our third other field. This is probably where we're going to be doing a lot of deer hunting, or rifle hunting for deer. The previous spots that we marked with the tacks will be for bow season probably. A lot of signs of animals, a lot of signs of deer. We haven't seen any small game, but they're definitely around here. Everywhere you look, there's signs of them, so that's really good. It's real promising. We'll probably toss up a couple tacks around here to mark our presence here, and then head back before it gets a little too dark for us to be out and plan tomorrow.
Dick tip. Remember to bring a headlamp even if you don't think you need one.
It's a good dick tip. So we just got back to camp. Got the gun tree and all our hammocks, and we're just sitting in our chairs, hanging out by that for the third field. I don't know how many fields, so many fields now.
We have come across a lot, which is great. I forgot how many fields there were.
Yeah.
And everyone had like stepped on grass, matted down greenery.
Yeah, there were a lot of trails.
Yep. A few buck rubs.
There were a couple rubs.
I didn't see any scat though.
I didn't see any poop. No droppings. I found the one old scrape, and we found a couple rubs, only one that was worth, showing, but I'm happy.
There's animals here. There's something. There's something back here.
There's something out there in the woods. We're just gonna hang out for the night and then hit the hay and get at it early tomorrow. Sun's just going down. We don't want to waste much energy on lights and stuff, so probably gonna get ready to go to bed. Don't want to start a fire around the places that we're hunting, so. Night, John.
The old struggle.
How cold do you think it is?
I don't know. Should we?
Low 40s, at least. Maybe high 30s. Night, John.
Good night.
It is certainly chilly because we've got to wear clothes, lots of layers under our bags. Dick and I both have Thermarest closed cell foam pads. We've got the pads under our inflatables, the cell foam ones, because they do a better job keeping the heat in. Night, Dick.
Night, Drew.
Alright, just in my hammock. Sky looks gorgeous. It's clear. We can see the moon and the stars through the trees. Really digging it. All snuggled in, warm and cozy on this cool night. Gonna wake up early and get at it tomorrow. Night, Dick.
Night, Drew.
Night, John.
Night, Drew.
Night, guys.
Are we gonna get political now?
Possibly, but we're going to start with a dick tip. The two-party system doesn't work. That's your dick tip.
It's a good dick tip for the day.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
Morning.
We got out of bed at about 10. And we're just sitting around, not the fire, because we don't have a fire. We're going to pack up and then build some blinds, probably.
So we're just finishing up packing now. We're not going far. We're just going to take it to the field, set our gear down, grab our saws, and go find some down limbs to pick where we're setting up our first blind, and then cut some limbs, lay them across, make a nice little ground blind, and then pack up, go to the next clearing, and repeat.
Just got our first blind set up. Got Dick in there. It's real simple, you know. We're just taking some sticks and down limbs and padding them up with ferns and just trying to break up our outlines a little bit. Built this one a little bit bigger in case something happens and we all end up needing to, you know, hunt together. You got room. Silhouette's broken up real good. It's gonna be a great hunt.
Just finishing up the second blind. One of the clearings a little further past where we were staying. Still need to add a little bit more to the front, but we're getting there. And then we'll head back and start walking our way out.
You feeling positive about this deer season?
As positive as I can be.
This is the blind that we built in the third field clearing area. Got some down branches and a bunch of ferns set up so block my silhouette from any kind of deer that comes through. Dick tip, make sure you pick a spot that's got lots of ferns so you can pull them and put them on.
This is blind 4. It's an extra in theory just in case. Found a pit between some trees. Just added a little bit of shrubbery.
A little bit of Dick.
A little bit of Dick.
This is our closest to the car, furthest away from camp blind. Also where we might be setting up the canvas tent for gun season. But it was a nice natural area set up already. Just adding a couple personal touches to it. And it should be ready to go.
So we're gonna try this.
Ready, set. Oh. Got it.
Did he?
It broke.
He is all that is mad. So there's the start of that ORV trail. There's the closed ORV trail that we hike back on to hunt. And there's Dick and John just heading to the car. We're just getting back. Pretty good, didn't see any small game, but got 5 blinds set up today, camped, scouted a lot. Looks like we might have we're gonna have a very successful attempt at deer hunting. We know that the attempt will go well. Look at that. Good to be back. We're back at that camp from the first night. Just gonna set up. We got an early morning.
Yeah, just hang out and have a relaxing night before our drive to pheasants. The guaranteed animals.
This is our sleeping arrangement for the night. We're all sharing a tree. Got 3 spans out. We're not doing tarps. It's not gonna rain and we're lazy.
And it's really neat looking at the sky when you're sleeping.
Yep.
You know, seeing all the stars. We got a real nice opening above us. It's gonna be a beautiful night. Or a cloudy night. Either way, it'll be great. She might be too girthy. Bridgestone might
I've
not
never
be.
had that complaint before.
You know?
Too big for you, John?
Oh, cheers.
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 To the hunt.
To the hunt.
Tastes like beer and hairspray. You can't say it was a good hunt for what we were hunting for, but I feel like we made a lot of strides to have a good hunt in bow season.
We really prepped it. You know?
We hiked like 2.5 miles today and had, you know, built 5 blinds, marked a bunch of territory.
Yep. They're real nice fields. All of them have good shooting lines. All of them are high activity areas for the deer.
Right.
You know?
We're seeing a few buck signs, but mostly we're just seeing a lot of tracks, a lot of runs.
We have seen a lot of tracks.
We've
which
seen
is
a ton of
promising.
tracks.
Ton of tracks, ton of rubs, no poop.
But you know, the plan is to come out, hike out to that valley. We're gonna camp in the valley for bow season.
And then we'll hike to the 3 nearest blinds to the valley.
Yeah, the first
Those
3.
are the ones we're hunting, or we're planning on hunting.
Yep, a lot of options to choose from.
We know the blinds look good because as we came back to them, we couldn't find some of them.
Yep. We'd have to rely on those tacks. Put
Yeah.
up a bunch of reflective tacks everywhere. Mark where we've been. Keep us aware of where we're going. Keep other hunters kind of like, oh, okay, there are people here.
Establish a presence.
Establish our presence in pursuit of the elusive Michigan whitetail deer. We're just gonna finish our beers, go to bed early because we got a special day tomorrow. We're going to the Walkowitz Pheasant Farms, and we've scheduled some put and take pheasant with my dad and one of his friends.
It'll be nice.
Be nice to actually shoot something.
Yeah, so you know, make sure you catch that. So just give this video the thumbs up. Click that subscribe button down this way maybe. And you know, follow our channel, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.
We always have a lot of nice photos up on Instagram.
We do. We put out, you know, all of us post to the Instagram. We're always going on adventures and sharing all our pictures throughout the year and stuff. So check it out.